Hi, I'm Sarge, and welcome to Sarge's Advice. Now, have you ever wanted to be in the military when you grow up? Well, that's what I'm here for. Here are my steps of being a soldier. You got that, guys? Yeah. Anyway, step 1. Pre-qualification and meeting requirements. You need to be between ages 17 and 35. Now, you must be a U.S. citizen or a lawful permanent resident who went to a high school diploma or equivalent. GED is a typical required. Yeah. We've all been to high school, Sarge. Okay, so, you must pass through a background and have no disqualifying criminal records. Well, I've never done that. Okay, so step 2. Contact a recruiter. If you near Elmira, NY, your local U.S. Army recruiter can use your location. Just go to Go Army Recruiter Locator. Step 3. Take the ASVAB test. You will take the Armed Services Vocational Aptitude Battery. This multiple choice test measures your aptitude in areas like math, science, and mechanics to determine which military occupation specialty jobs you qualify for. Sarge, I'm not really good at tests. Well, do it anyway. So, anywho, step 4. Medical background screening at MEPS. You will visit the MEPS, Military Entrance Processing Station. A comprehensive physical, including vision, hearing, and agility test. Your final review of your moral character and legal history will mean that you qualified for the job. Okay, Captain. Step 5. Job selection enlistment contract. Based on your ASVAB score and medical qualifications, you shall select a job with your enlistment contract and take the oath of enlistment. Well, that sounds like a lot to follow. And finally, step 6. Basic combat training, and advanced training. A 9 to 10 week program where you learn fundamental military traditions, combat tactics, physical fitness, and life-saving skills. And once basic training is complete, you will transition to advanced training or one station unit training to learn the specific skills needed for your chosen MOS. Okay. Thanks for the advice, Sarge. You're welcome. That's it for Sarge's advice, and peace out. Hey guys, Boston here. I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video, and give it a thumbs up if you like it. If you really like my channel, then please consider subscribing. Anyways guys, I'll see you in the next one. Oh, by the way guys, click that bell right there so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Anyway, see ya.